To fix cannot find Bixby Vision shortcut on app screen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, first you have to enable the option within Bixby Vision setting to display it on the app screen. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find apps. Tap apps. Find Bixby Vision. To do it quickly, tap the search and then type Bixby Vision. Tap Bixby Vision and then tap Bixby Vision setting. Under General section, tap the gray on next to Show Bixby Vision on app screen to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on, which means your phone will show Bixby Vision shortcut on your app screen. To see the result, go to the app screen. To find it quickly, tap the search and then type Bixby Vision. You can see that Bixby Vision is now shown and accessible from the app screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.